Trading currencies is one of the many ways you can make money with cryptocurrencies, but for most people, it is very difficult to understand. Well, in this video, we'll talk about spot and derivatives trading on ByBit. It's going to be a detailed breakdown of how you can fund your trading account, what ByBit calls the unified trading account. We'll buy Bitcoin, we'll learn how to trade, and we'll talk about how you can possibly make some money. All right, without further ado, let's get to the video. The platform we'll be using for all the transactions today is ByBit. If you do not have a verified account, you need to download the app with my link in the description below and sign up. Open an account and get a level 1 verification with a government issued ID. And using my referral code, you'll also get some bonuses and benefits up to $5,000. So stick around to the end to find out how to get that. Setting up a ByBit account is a pretty straightforward process, but if you want a more detailed tutorial for how to set up your ByBit account, then check out my previous video before watching this video. Alright, let's talk about how to deposit to your funding account. To perform any form of trading, you will need to fund your unified trading account on ByBit. If you already have crypto deposited in your account, then you are already halfway there. If not, you will need to deposit a currency. You can do so by clicking the deposit button on the home page here. You can initiate a P2P trade where other traders are lined up to sell crypto to you for a local currency or vice versa. You can also deposit in your local currency, which is indicated as NGN here for an account in Nigeria. You can also deposit crypto directly if you have cryptocurrencies stored on external exchanges or hardware wallets. These are all the options that you can explore, and once a deposit is made, it will appear in your funding account and on your home screen like this. Now, in order to trade, click on the trade button at the bottom of the interface here. This will take you to a new page, and this is where you will set up your initial trades. There are a bunch of options here, but for the sake of this video, we'll stick to spot trading and futures trading, which is a derivative. How to fund your trading account. The spot trade is usually the first interface you see in the trading section. However, you first need to fund your trading account. If you're on your smartphone, you should see the small golden plus button right under the buy and sell options here. You get 3 options for depositing into your trading account. You can either transfer crypto between your accounts, like between your funding account that we've discussed earlier, or convert your other cryptocurrencies that you have to USDT. If none of these options are available, you can also deposit from an external wallet. These are the 3 options. Since I already have USDT in my funding wallet, I'm going to click on transfer and move some crypto that I already have in my funding account to my unified trading account. You can select max to transfer all the crypto from your funding account to your unified trading account, or you can type the exact amount you want to trade with. Here, I'll type 100 USDT and transfer 100 USDT from my funding account to my unified trading account. And once I click confirm, it will go through seamlessly. Very straightforward process. You can see the amount deposited showing next to the gold plus button here. Now here's where things get more interesting. How to trade spot. Spot trading basically means that whatever you buy or sell is delivered on the spot. Unlike derivatives trading, which we'll get to shortly, spot trades are bought or sold at the current market price for immediate settlement. This is usually the easiest one for people who are just starting out. Here, you do not need to do a lot of market analysis. You can simply just buy when the price of the cryptocurrency is low and sell when the price of the cryptocurrency is high, and that's how you can make some money in that regard. To do a spot trade, you first have to select what pair you intend to trade. This could be BTC USDT or XRP USDT and many of these other options. After that, you can select whether you want to buy at a market order which sells the cryptocurrency to you at the current value, or a limit order that waits until the value has reached a certain number to buy. So when you think of limit order, think of it like you trying to set the price you want to buy at, and when it gets to that price, it will be sold to you at that price that you've set. That's the limit that you want to buy. For the sake of this video, we'll be using a market order. Once you select that, you now need to input how much you intend to spend on the token based on how much you have in your unified trading account that we just deposited in. You can type the number or use the slider to select the percentage of the funds you have in your unified trading account. Afterwards, click on buy BTC and it will ask you to confirm. You'll get a small notification that the purchase has been confirmed. To see the result, you can head over to the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen here and tap Assets, and you'll see what assets you have in your account. Now, if you want to sell at a time that the currency you've bought has appreciated, for instance, it's also as easy as buying. Just click on the Sell tab here and the interface changes 2 buttons to red. Select markets to sell at the current market price and type the amount of the currency you want to sell. You can also use the slider to select a percentage again. After that, click on sell BTC and confirm it, and that's all. You've sold cryptocurrency. Okay, if you have an even larger risk appetite, then you can try derivative trading. If you've ever heard about day traders, this is where most of these traders spend their time. Crypto derivatives allow you to speculate on the future price of a currency. You do not own the tokens like when you trade spot. You get access to perpetual contracts that don't expire. You can hold any position as long as you maintain the margin. The best thing about derivatives is leverage. This simply means that you can control larger positions with little capital. On ByBit, you can set between 1x and as high as 100x. Basically, you can trade with $100 but hold a position of $10,000. One more thing to note with derivatives is holding a long position or short position. This simply means when you trade, you can profit from an increase in the price of a currency by holding a long position, or you can hold a short position by betting against the currency and profit from a decrease in the price. So how do you trade? This part is a lot easier. Tap on the Futures tab at the top of the screen here and it will take you to a new page. Here, you can select whatever pair you would like to trade. Ethereum, Solana, Doge. When it comes to margin trading here in the Futures tab, ByBit gives you 3 options. You can select cross, isolated, or portfolio margin. In summary, with isolated margin, traders can assign specific amounts in terms of collateral to each position, which limits potential losses to that position. With cross margin, however, traders can use their entire account balance as collateral for open positions. This is more capital efficient, but a bad trade can take your whole account. Portfolio margin is more for professionals and requires at least 1,000 USD. Here, you can even use your spot assets as collateral for hedging, which is a lot. After that, you can now input your order value. Just like when we did in the spot trading, you can also type or use the slider. Once you have selected the value, you can now just buy long or sell short. Then you can also set your take profit and stop loss. This simply means that you get a low and high point for the trade to stop. You can either set the take profit and stop loss by percentage gain or loss, or you can just add an amount to close the trade. This is usually where experts look at the chart on this side of the interface. These candlesticks are showing where gains and losses have happened over time. These will help you decide where to place your take profit and stop loss. To avoid the complicated stuff, you can just set a percentage gain and loss. So when the trade hits a certain percentage of gain or loss, the trade will automatically close. Once you hit buy long or sell short, you will click confirm and the trade will appear at the bottom of the screen as it goes up or down. As the trade fluctuates, if you decide you want to close the trade, you can just click on it at the bottom of the screen and tap the close buy button. It will ask you to confirm and that is all. With these, profit is made when you can buy at a low price and sell at a high price, or vice versa when you're shorting that currency. However, it is important to note that you could also lose money. These are high risk moves that are very volatile in nature, so keep that in mind and avoid using more money than you can part with. It also helps to start small and then increase your trading funds as you get more experience. Okay, this is the part where I want you to listen well. Don't forget to download the ByBit app with my link in the description below if you haven't already. Those who sign up with the link in the description of this video will get rewards from $15 to $5,000 if they deposit at least $100 and trade with that $100 or more. Basically, if they do what we explained in this video. So for example, if you deposit $100 and trade $100 in volume, you should get that $15 bonus, and the rewards are automatically settled in your account within 7 days of signing up with my link and trading. And in order to see that, just check the rewards hub section of your account. You can also read the website to be sure and let me know if you have any questions at all. I'll be right there in the comments chatting with you guys. Just drop a comment below. Click here to watch my first video about how to sign up and get verified on ByBit. I'll see you in that video.